Hey praisers and savers, I am at Walmart. We're going to be doing the midweek Moneymaker bonus on IBOTTA. So I think I got $3 for only doing 6 offers, which is really good. That's not a lot of offers. So 6 offers, I've already got 2 offers. I don't even know why I have 2 offers. I've done it somewhere. And so I'll get $3 back today. That's it. Some people have the summer bonus. I don't have that. And I've already finished my climb peak and all the other stuff. So that's done. So anyways, I have like 50 things on my list today. I'm sure I won't get all 50 things. I'll get in the store and get discouraged and won't be able to get it. I haven't gotten my coupons this week still. I think they're coming Thursday. I checked my little email that I get where it tells me my mail's coming in. So hopefully we'll have that on Thursday. Guys, make sure that if you are new to my channel that you like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you'll know whenever all my new videos are being posted. We are growing. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers. That is very exciting. Also, if you are not on the rebate apps, IBOTTA, Fetch, Shopkick, Swagbucks, please look at the links in the description box. I get a little bonus and you get a little bonus for signing up as well. So let's get into Walmart and see what we have. All right, guys, the very first deal we're getting is this Neutrogena bar. They are $2.74. I have a $2.50 coupon off any Neutrogena acne product, and this is an acne product. So it's going to make these just 24 cents for each bar, and I have 2 coupons. I'm going to use both today. All right, guys, you know, as long as they keep bringing this back and I bought it, I'm going to keep getting it. These are our favorite pods anyways. So these are $11.97. And we're going to use a $3 off coupon for that. This came out for the June PNG. This will come out again for July. And then we also have a $3 off on the IBOTTA app. That's coming off as well, so you'll get that rebate, which makes this just $5.97 for 1 container of Tide Pods. All right, guys, this is a household favorite for us. This Downy Wrinkle Release is $4.94. We have this $1 off coupon that came out in the June PNG. It will also come out in July PNG as well. It's $1 off. It's making these $3.94. And then we have a $1.50 back on IBOTTA. So it's going to make these about $2.50 per bottle. So that's a really great deal on these. All right, got this deal again back in my IBOTTA app. These are the Sparkle Tear Squares. 3 count. They are $3.97. There's a $1 back on IBOTTA, making these just $2.97. This can be done up to 5 times. So these are my favorite dryer sheets. These are the Bounce Wrinkle Guards, and they're like huge. They're the mega sheets. So $5.97 on these. We're going to use the $1 off June PNG coupon, but this will come out also in July, making these $4.97. And there's a $1.50 rebate on IBOTTA, making these just $3.47 per box. So if you're familiar with my channel, you know that this is something I've been getting a lot with IBOTTA. These are the NBA Dynasty Oreos. Not all stores have them, but my store does carry them. What you're going to do is you're going to buy one of the Oreo family size, not party size, family size. You're going to pay for that. Of course, you're paying for everything, but you're going to pay for all this, and with IBOTTA, you're getting that for free, and you're also getting that for free. Now, there is a Nabisco coupon out there. When you buy 3 things, you'll get a $1 off. I don't have that coupon, so I'm just going to do it without it. So you're only really going to pay $3.67 for all 3 packs of Oreos. All right, found the popcorn, Indiana popcorn. So it is $2.68. There's a $1.50 back on IBOTTA, making these just $1.18 each. It's a limit of 5, so you can get more than you need. So there's the sweet and salty Carol corn. There's the black and white drizzle popcorn. I don't know about these little individual bags, but we're going to try out the butter just to see how we like it. And if we do like it, then I'll come back and get some more. Finally found some of the Twix Fun Size. These are the 6 count. I scanned them on the Walmart app just to be sure because it was not in the right place in the store. These are 98 cents. There are 550 scans and kicks coming back for me. So that's $2.20. So this is going to make this a $1.22 moneymaker for these Twix Fun Size. I've been getting so much candy lately at Walmart, but these Hershey's are 98 cents. What you're going to do in Shopkicks is you're going to scan the large bars. So I scan these to get my kicks, and then I'm going to pick these up and submit my receipt. So these are 98 cents. I'm going to be getting I think 84 cents in Shopkicks. So that makes these just 14 cents a pack. Absolutely loving this deal on the marshmallows. So I already have some chocolate candy bars that I just picked up, and now I'm getting some marshmallows. These are $1.48. So what you're going to do is you're going to pick up 2 of the Jet Puff for $1.40 each. It's going to make it $2.96. There's an Ibotta where $1 is coming off each bag. You can do this up to 5 times if you like. So $1 will come off each bag, so that's $2 for me. So I'm picking up 2 bags. And then I want to submit to Shopkick and get back with skins and kicks 64 cents, making this just 32 cents for 2 bags total. So that's 16 cents per bag of marshmallows. Amazing. Alright, so I am picking up the Splenda Stevia here at Walmart again. This is going to be a moneymaker for us. It's also a great moneymaker at Publix if you can get there today, which is Tuesday. It's going to run out today. But here at Walmart, the Splenda Stevia is $3.48. Alright, so I have, if I get my coupon, I have this $2 off coupon. It expires, I think, tomorrow or today, I'm not sure. And $2 off coupon, which makes this $1.48. And then on Ibotta, it's taking $2 off as well, so you'll get that rebate of $2, making this a 52-cent moneymaker. So I have 2 coupons left, so I'm going to pick up 2 of these. Now, the problem with this is this coupon does beep, but it is the right product. It's a Splenda Stevia, any one product, so you'll have to get them to key it in for you, but it does work. Hey guys, just got in the car from Walmart. It was an amazing haul. There were some things I wanted to get that I couldn't find in the store. This is a smaller Walmart, and I also didn't have the coupons I'm supposed to have because they didn't come in the mail yet. I'm still waiting on them. I usually have them by Saturday. Anyways, I also picked up for my family some chicken and some veggies. And so my total after everything was $5. I know that's not like the real total. You'll see it on the video, but what I do is I constantly roll my rebate offers from Ibotta, Shopkick, Fetch, all of that. And so what I do is I make small transactions at the self-checkout, and then let's say I get to, like, you know, $25 or whatever, and I have a $20 Ibotta, then I scan my coupons and then use that $20 Ibotta. So I'm constantly rolling over my Ibotta. I don't like just make huge hauls. It just becomes too much and you end up paying money out of pocket. Also, I got some of the Mentos that everyone's been talking about from Shopkick. I didn't talk about it in my video because I found it at the checkout. They're 94 cents. I've got to get home and key that in, but the young lady at self-checkout is always so sweet, and so I handed her the Mentos, like, you know, it was free, right? So we're not really paying for it, and I have so many things of Mentos and so many things of candy, and it made her day. Like, I could see she, like, got on Snapchat as soon as I gave it to her and took a picture of it, I guess because no one's really nice to her. You know, Walmart's hard sometimes. So anyways, great shopping trip. Stay tuned to see what the total cost was when we get home.